At Māoriland, we believe in the power of Indigenous storytelling.
You can swim and surf on.
Cool.
Here we are.
Good morning. Today is day one of our film workshop. Through Our Lens connects young Māori filmmakers with other young Indigenous people from around the world through filmmaking.
I feel rewarded because of everything I'm learning.
We bring all the camera gear with us and share what we know as rangatahi filmmakers to help our new Indigenous peers create a short film. Our films then screen at Māoriland Film Festival and around the world.
I'm really blown away with the mahi that you did. Yesterday you came together for the first time, you came up with some ideas, and then today you just went and shot them. That is big work.
You have a lot of ideas, but it's the ideas that don't go away. They just stay there in your head. Those are the ideas that I think you can pay attention to.
Through Our Lens promotes cultural connection and storytelling without boundaries to create a united community of Indigenous filmmakers.
I'm with Matilda at the beach house and I'm about to show her how to make just a simple roti.
Tēnā koutou mo tō manaakitanga mai.